In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar effectively. Google Calendar is an indispensable tool for managing your schedule and staying organized, and mastering its features can significantly enhance your productivity. To begin, let's open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. You can simply search for Google Calendar or enter calendar.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. You'll want to click on the first search result, which will take you directly to the calendar page. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your email address and click Next. After that, type in your password and click Next again. Once you're inside Google Calendar, you might see various calendar options on the left side of your screen. To create a new calendar, look for a plus sign next to the Other Calendars section. Click on it, then choose Create New Calendar from the dropdown. Here, you'll need to enter a name for your new calendar. Once you've settled on a name, click Create Calendar to confirm. Let's navigate back to the main calendar interface by clicking the arrow in the upper left corner. Find the calendar you just created on the left panel and click on the three dots next to its name. Here, you can customize your calendar's color, allowing you to organize multiple calendars visually. Now let's learn how to add an event. Head over to the Create button, which can be found near the top left corner. Click it, and then select Event. This will open a new window where you can enter detailed information about your event. Start by naming your event. Be descriptive so you'll remember the purpose at a glance. After naming your event, click the Date field to select when this event will occur. Similarly, click the Time field to specify the start and end times. You can also add guests to your event by clicking Add Guests and typing their email addresses. Sharing your event with others ensures that everyone stays informed and aligned. Once you're happy with your event details, click the Save button. If you've added guests, Google Calendar will prompt you to send them an invitation via email. Click Send to ensure they receive the details. To explore other useful features, return to the Create button, but this time click on Task. Tasks function like to-do list items within your calendar. Enter a task name, then choose a date and time. Finally, click Save to add it to your calendar. Tasks are great for tracking day-to-day activities that don't necessarily fit the structure of an event, but still deserve a spot on your schedule. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to set up and use Google Calendar effectively.